Experiencing call dropping or call failed issues on your iPhone after the recent software update? In this video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve these problems. Let's dive in and get your calls back on track. Solution 1. Open Dialer. Enter *#31#. Quickly after doing this, please restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Set network connection to automatic. Open Setting. Tap Mobile or Cellular Data. Tap on Network Selection. Toggle off automatic. Wait a few moments. Now turn it back on. Solution 3. Eject your SIM card. Sometimes the issue can be resolved by simply ejecting and reinserting your SIM card. Give it a try, as it might help rectify the problem you are facing. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. By following these steps, your issue should be resolved. If you continue to experience problems, it's recommended to reach out to your cellular service provider's customer support. They can offer specialized assistance tailored by your network and account settings. Thanks for watching.